NRF's Wealth Foundation Day program. First, continuing rehabilitation program on recent advances in post-stroke rehabilitation.
मैं समय नहीं हूँ, पर समय का रखवाला ज़रूर हूँ। 2013 में मुझे किसी ने इधर तोहफे के रूप में दिया था। तभी पहली बार मैंने अपनी आंखें खोली। अच्छा है कि यहाँ लोगों ने ज़माने के साथ साथ मुझे अपडेट या रिप्लेस नहीं किया, वरना मेरा गेम तो कब का हो चुका होता। लोग मेरे तरफ देखते हैं ताकि समय क्या हो रहा है वो पता चल सके, और मैं उनको देखता हूँ ताकि वो समय के बारे में सोचना बंद करें और मोमेंट में जीना सीखें। ऐसे ही दो लोगों का रिश्ता समय के साथ बदलना मैंने देखा, और आज मैं उनकी कहानी आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ, ताकि शायद समय को लेकर आपका नज़रिया भी बदले और उनकी ज़िंदगी के कुछ पल देखकर आप जीने का एक नया अंदाज सीखें।
Accessibility, affordability and high quality of treatment.
To ensure proceedings tonight are truly inclusive and accessible to everyone, I would like to introduce Mr. Vishal Pawar, our sign language specialist, who will be with us throughout the evening. To acknowledge the heart behind the film we just witnessed, I would also like to introduce the award-winning writer and director, Mr. Aditya Bhasin, who produced the film that you just saw specially for NRF. Now, while NRF was officially registered in 2006, tonight marks exactly 12 years since its first on-field operations truly took flight. It was on this very day, the 28th of February, back in 2013, that NRF hit the roads of Delhi NCR with its first mobile physiotherapy van.
Rupini Rudrani Omkara Karini Madhankara Tari Karuna Rasavarita.
Ms. Sudha Raghuraman. I now invite Dr. N. Subramanian to the podium to share the opening remarks, the milestones of NRF and our vision and future of rehabilitation. Dr. Subramanian is a urological surgeon at the Apollo Hospitals. He is the founder, trustee and secretary of NRF.
A warm welcome to each one of you. So on behalf of our patrons, our advisors, and my fellow trustees, I'm delighted to invite each one of you to this event. We are really honored to have with us our chief guest for the evening, a very senior journalist, Mr. Venkat Narayan here. We have a media personality, Navika Kumarji is here. We have an international para-athlete. We have Suvarna Raj. We have a young innovator in Aman Srivastava. We have with us Mr. Raghunathan, our President of the Value Foundation and also the former Chief Secretary of Delhi. We have Madhur Das from the United Nations Environment Fund. Each one of you present here today, I think, brings a lot of meaning to the cause of disability.
Technology makes things easier for people, but for people with disabilities, technology makes things possible.
We are all making our efforts, but what we are doing today is still scratching the surface.
डिसेबिलिटी जो है वो इन्वायरमेंट में है, नॉट इन अ पर्सन, क्योंकि जहाँ
इन्वायरमेंट एक्सेस हो जाता है, वहाँ डिसेबिलिटी तो वैसे ही डिसअपीयर हो जाती है.
I keep talking on the issue of women. If one woman can help 3 more or 4 more women, we will have more women coming forward. If I can make a difference to even 2 disabled people in the world and take them forward by just taking one success story to the people which encourages them to learn to fight, and we need that one little catalyst to somehow give us the motivation, whether we are so called in quotes normal or people with disabilities. Fight back is the only way.
And so well done. Give her a big round of applause for that.
And I promise to be in this journey. If I can make a difference to begin with 2 or 5 or 10 people, I'm sure वो कहते हैं कि अकेले निकले थे, चलते रहे, कारवां बनता गया. तो कारवां बनाएंगे, आपके साथ बनाएंगे, and very soon I will have you on Frankly Speaking to take your story.
Lovely.
Neurological rehabilitation embodies that principle. It transforms survival into recovery and recovery into dignity. I congratulate the organizers for bringing together expertise and experience on this vital subject, and I extend my deepest appreciation to every professional and caregiver who dedicates their life to this.
On behalf of the NeuroAid and Research Foundation, I would like to thank, and to every single person in this room, your presence matters more than you know. Because institutions don't create impact, communities do. And tonight, I believe, come together and created a community. Thank you for standing with us. Thank you for believing in work that restores not just function, but hope.